Hello. Last time I left you with the idea that I had 10 grams on this pan, and I asked you what would happen if I took 5 grams and put it on this side. So hopefully you went home and you thought about it, or you stayed home and thought about it, and so we can see what will happen. Some people might think this pan will rise up. Some people might think it'll stay the same. Let's see. So what we found here is this pan is still barely touching here. So that wasn't enough weight to move this pan up. All right, so now I'm going to do a slightly different experiment. I'm going to take 100 grams here and put it on that side. So it's definitely touching the table. And now I'm going to take another 100-gram weight and I'm going to put it on this side. Now, see what you would predict. Will it come up off the table, or will it still stay on the table? And watch what will happen. It rises off of the table. Now, I think that's a very interesting empirical observation. And I think the reason for that hasn't been adequately explained in physics. One of the resources, I'm going to have a link to the resource at the bottom of this video, is my explanation for why this happens and how this also relates to a very important physiologic law called Weber's law. This law, which is important for how our senses work, is, I think, a bridge to where we are headed in the future for using this law to understand how more physiologic functions work in our bodies, like our senses and our receptors, which are very important to how we live.